Okay, this one should go.
Morphle! Morph into a logging machine. Cut that tree, Morphle.
Morphle like to cut the trees.
Yesterday's big storm pulled out many trees. If trees aren't rooted properly, they can just fall down all of a sudden. And that can be very dangerous.
Morphle loves cutting down trees. Oh no! Look!
Tumbling test tubes.
Are you okay, Professor Rashid?
This is my latest invention. Everything I zap with it becomes very big or very small.
Ah, great!
Morphle cut the tree.
Oh no! Morphle, stop! Oh, Morphle, stop! Those trees don't have to be cut!
Oh no! Morphe cut way too many trees. My beautiful forest is gone. Where are the forest animals going to live now? It will take years for these trees to grow back.
Morphle, sorry.
Wait! I have an idea! Professor Rashid, can we borrow your invention? Morphle, morph into a fire truck. Look, Troy. Do you want to take a ride in a real fire truck?
That's not a real fire truck. My big brother Gerben is a firefighter. And I can take a ride whenever I want.
Ah, an emergency.
Now Morphle can see what a real fire truck can do.
That sounds like a challenge.
We've got this, ma'am. Huh?
There you go. We brought your cat to safety.
There's a building on fire on the other side of the city.
Haha, we're faster.
Oh no, this fire is too big. We can't do this by ourselves.
Let's work together. A flying fire truck!
Wow! It's wonderful to have some help from a magic pet. Morphle, would you be interested in joining me at the fire department from now on?
Morphle no can. Morphle me like pet.
You know, firefighter Gerben, I think I know the perfect magic pet for you. Aquily, help your new human companion.
Wow!
Morphle, morph into a motorcycle.
And the new champion of the world is... Huh? A little kid? Tell us, little girl, is this the most happy moment of your life?
No, Morphle and I think there are lots of things more important than winning.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, people of Earth!
Wow!
We are gathering the fastest racers from every planet to compete in the first motorcycle Grand Prix of the universe. And you are clearly the fastest on this planet. Follow us.
Morphle, morph into a space bike. Watch out, Morphle! A meteorite!
Great move. Meteorites are the most dangerous thing a space biker can come across. Get ready. Set.
Great, Morphle! We're winning! Oh no! Look, Morphle! Comets! Lots of them! Well done, Morphle! We're gonna win!
Ah!
Oh no! Look, Morphle!
Oh! Oh!
Morphle, some things are more important than winning. We have to go save them.
Oh!
Morphle, add a sidecar to the bike.
Thank you for saving me, Mila. And Morphle. Unfortunately, you lost the race because you helped me.
That's okay. Some things are more important than winning awards.
Well, you might not have won an award, but there is something else you won.
Oh?
My friendship. Come with me. I will show you around in space. Hold it right there. Hi there, fire truck. Dump those losers and come with us. Hey, we need our truck to get to a fire.
Better start running then.
Yes, we are now the vehicle bandits. And with this life ray, it's easier than ever.
Oh no, Morphle! We've got to stop them! Morph into a race car!
Wait! We need to put out a fire now.
Morphle, morph into a fire truck!
To the farm. No more trips for you, you Sunday driver.
Why, you ruffians!
Time to clean yourself up. I don't know what happened. I was flipping burgers, and all of a sudden, a fire broke out.
Let's go after those bandits, Morphle! Bandits!
Wait, Mila, Morphle! Those bandits have stolen my ambulance, and I need to bring this lady to the hospital.
Morph into an ambulance, Morphle!
A quiet day in my city. No traffic violations anywhere. Huh? Cars without drivers? Oh, not in my city. Wait, what?
Bye-bye!
Now, let's get those bandits.
Stop it! Right there! Oh.
Morphle, morph into a police car.
Wow, it's like you read my mind. Let's get those baddies! Oh, no, you don't. Vehicles, stop them!
Fly over them, Morphle.
Uh-oh.
Vehicles, join forces and become a mega robot!
Oh, boy. No. Stop it.
All those sweet rides.
There's only one ride left for you, and that's a ride to jail.
I think he should go see a doctor.
Morphle, morph into an ambulance. Let's go, Morphle. Oh no, it's a traffic jam. Morphle, go over it. Yay! This is great, Morphle, but I have an even better idea. Morphle, morph into a flying ambulance.
Thank you very much for bringing Troy to the hospital, Mila and Morphle.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor too. That way I can help people get better, just like you.
That's very nice, Mila, but I will tell you a secret. It's not just people that I help. I am also the doctor that treats all the mythological creatures that live in and around this city. It would be a great help if I could use this amazing ambulance to visit my next mythological patients.
Yeah, of course.
Our first stop is Starfish Island. Our next patient is the mountain giant.
Look, that's him.
Whoa! Let's try again, Morphle. How will we ever reach the mountain giant?
I have an idea. Morphle, add a jet engine to the ambulance.
Thank you so much. Morphle was a great...
Oh no!
It looks like Morphle the ambulance caught the flu from one of our patients.
Poor Morphle. Please help Morphle get better, Doctor.
I'll give Morphle some medicine. But the rest is up to you, Mila. Because the most important thing Morphle needs now is love and care.
Daddy and I made you this healthy soup, Morphle. Once upon a time, there was a little red ambulance, and it caught the flu, and it was very sick. But the little red ambulance... Morphle! Morph into a toy car!
Oh, no. A flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you need to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, Ice Cream Man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman, look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle, they're going over the bridge. Oh no! The bridge is opening! Morphle, add rockets to the car!
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will... fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them. We caught you, glue bandits.
We are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits. Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
What? In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again.
Ah, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain.
Your chain? Ha ha!
That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.